Hi everyone, today I want to show you Rectangle. So Rectangle is a window manager app, and you can see that there are plenty of shortcuts that can enable you to be more productive when you're developing. Things like moving your application to the left of the screen, the right of the screen. It supports Mac OS 10.15 Plus and Intel and Apple Silicon chips. And if you drag that app into the applications, you can launch it using the Windows space command. And I'm doing that here. So you can open it and it's going to show you all the different shortcuts that are available for it. And you're going to need to first allow some permissions that are going to enable it to change applications. That's because it's going to be moving the applications around and resizing them. So I'm just going to go ahead and give that permission and enter my password to allow that. And I'm just going to use the recommended shortcuts, so you can see a few shortcuts there. If you want to customize anything, you can customize those, but you can see there's like left half, right half, maximise, center, and like if you wanted to split your screen into 4, you can do that as well. I typically just use left half and right half, but it sort of depends on the size of my display, and I'd also typically move things between displays. So this can be really useful to sort of optimize your productivity. And yeah, so at the moment I'm showing you the Chrome on the left side, and I showed you applications on the right side. I just switched it off the desktop, and then I switched it back on, and then I moved it over to the left side. And now back to the right side. So it only took up a set amount of space, and that's just because that's the max amount of size that the system settings application actually goes to. And now I've pulled across another window from my other screen and maximized it. So yeah, that's a pretty cool thing about Rectangle. It is got lots of powerful commands, and you can check the shortcuts just by looking at the toolbar here, and it lets you change anything you want to as well, and check for updates and stuff like that. So I think that this is a really cool tool, and you should include it in your dev setup. And I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial today. If you have, please like and subscribe for more content.